Hello, Genius Hour crew. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're following all of the social distancing rules. I know some of you like to get up and wander, and I'm sure this is a difficult thing for you. So I'm creating a video for you today. There is also a plain old PowerPoint without my snarky face in it that you can watch back as needed, but I did want to give some direction as we move forward here. So this PowerPoint will be for the whole week. I've broken it down by day, so we'll have March 30th through Thursday, which is the end of the quarter. And so you can use this information to help guide you as you're sharing your projects and whatnot with me. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, this is totally weird, and I'm sorry, but for some of you, I'm sorry that you won't actually get to present your quarter three projects. You've done such awesome work, and I'm really excited to see how you ended your project and what you learned from it. So we'll talk today about how you will be sharing your PowerPoint or whatever formatting you use for your presentation, and then we will have an opportunity to go look at those before the end of the quarter as well. Please let me know if you have any questions, and you can contact me by using this information here. Some of you have already reached out via email, which is a great way to get a hold of me, and I think, back to you pretty quickly. That is also how you should be sharing your presentation with me by April 1st, okay? Then I do have a Google Voice number. If you use that, please just be respectful of my time. So not too early. I would say too early would be anything before 7:30, and then anything that's too late would be after 9 or 9:30 at night. When you do send me a message or call me, please just leave your name, since I don't have your numbers, I don't have caller ID, and I need to know who I'm getting back to. And then finally, I do have office hours that we're going to be using in Schoology on Tuesdays and Thursdays for as long as we need them here. Using the Conferences app at the bottom, it's the left-hand side of the Schoology menu there. All you have to do is click on the Conferences app between 9 and 9:30 a.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then join the conference, and you will see me. From what I'm hearing, we can't see other students in that app, but we can see each other. And if other kids are there, you'll be able to hear them, but you won't be able to see them. So we'll try it out. Let me know if you're having any problems with that, but I'll be in there Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 to 9:30 a.m. Okay, so let's get started here. We've got Monday, March 30th. You do need to start putting your final touches on your presentation. Use that rubric in Schoology. It's in the rubrics folder, and it's called the presentation scorecard. We've used that multiple times to look at what needs to be in our PowerPoint presentation or your presentation, however you're doing it. So use that. I'm still going to be using that to grade you, except I'll be taking off the last 5 points that deal with your eye contact and volume, because obviously you're not presenting it using your voice. So it will be out of 45 points, and it is due by Wednesday, April 1st at 11:59 p.m. So keep that in mind. In order to get full credit on that presentation, you do need to use the notes aspect at the bottom of your PowerPoint, or somehow add voice. So you don't have to use voice, but I do need to know what you would say for each slide. So figure out a way to share that. Again, using PowerPoint, the really easy way to do that is to just add notes. If you're using a YouTube video, you obviously don't need to add voice because your presentation will be through that video. Those of you using Prezi, I'm not really familiar with Prezi or how you would add that, but you want to make sure your slides are not cluttered. So find a way to either voice over or add notes somehow that I can see. Again, let me know if there are questions about that. You can email, you can call, or you can drop in on our conference hours. Tuesday then is a work day on your presentations. I will have conference hours again from 9 to 9:30 a.m. So drop in if you need me. And then make sure whenever you're done with your presentation, you share it. I can grade it as soon as I get them, which I plan to do, so I'm not feeling stressed out on Friday when I have to do all my grading. So keep that in mind. As soon as you get it done, share it with me through email. And again, it's due no later than 3 p.m. on Wednesday, April 1st. Sorry, I think I said 11:59 before. 3 p.m. Okay. Wednesday, April 1st, your projects are due to me by 3 p.m. Make sure you share them no later than that. I will be posting them. Oh, what happened there? Let's try again. I will be posting them on our Schoology page, and one of your assignments will be on Thursday to go in and do the discussion board. It requires you to look at least 3 other students' presentations. You do not need to worry about commenting on anybody else's discussion board this time. I just want to see that you have taken the time to go look at other people's presentations and give them some feedback, praise them for the hard work they've done, and then you'll be done for the quarter. So you guys can, if you want, you could do all of that by Monday night, but it's not all due until April 1st or April 2nd. Then, Genius Hour crew, we are done. You don't have school on Friday, so you don't need to check in. I will be doing all the grading and posting of grades. Our grades are due Monday morning. I think it's April 6th by 8 a.m. I will have a new folder up for you for that week of April 6th, and we'll start getting into our quarter 4 projects. And I'll have more information on that next week. Please let me know if you need help with anything. There are plenty of ways to contact me, so don't let that be an excuse for you. It won't work. Also, I'm really excited to see your finished products and also just to hear from you. So feel free to drop in. Take care of each other. Make sure you're staying healthy, following the social distancing rules, and I look forward to actually seeing you soon in person. Bye, guys.